Happy New Year, everybody, and welcome to January's clubs from Spellbinders. And you will see there are a number of changes this month, including the Wax Seal Club being gone, and that the Glimmer Plate and the Better Press plates are now combined into the one. So, exciting things to come. Let's get into having a look at everything we've got this month. The small die of the month for January is called Sunny Stems, and it is exactly as you imagine this gorgeous sunburst, or even perhaps a flower, covered with gorgeous little stems. I think this design is going to be brilliant for things like Mother's Days, thank you cards, something where you want something feminine and a little bit soft. Not forgetting that you can make this into a shaped card using the dies that's in this kit, as well as using those individual flowers on other projects, not just for this month, but throughout your stash. And of course, why not think about making something that's 3D or a bit of a dimensional project? The last show of the month is called Hummingbird's Delight, and this is another very sweet die set. You can see you've got that large postage edge frame, a gorgeous large honeysuckle, and then a border of daisies or whatever flowers you'd like them to be, along with those two very sweet hummingbirds. And you're going to have lots of fun working out and playing with colour with this die set this month. And you can see that floral border along the bottom can be used to make an entire border around your card. Now, if you're not wanting to play with too much colour, cut it all out of black and make your hummingbird the shining star, or make a nice black background and make your flower elements dance and pop off the page. Our stitching die of the month is Butterfly Dance, and this is a lovely die set. And I think Spellbinders has been quite clever here in giving us a lot of elements that we can use in different ways, and they do not all need to be stitched. So we've got that one large element that is stitched, and that is that gorgeous large butterfly. But then they've also given us the flower to create a scene with, as well as a die that is used to make clouds. Now, what I like about this die set is that cloud die can be used to make your grass or your bushes as well. Now here's our new set. This is our Postcard Hello, and this is our press and foil plate. And you can see we've got that beautiful image along with 4 different greetings to go with this plate. Okay, let's have a look some more detail. So you can see when it's foiled, it foils beautifully. And I will point out, yes, you are still going to get a roll of foil this month with this plate. And then you can see the gorgeous detail as well when you use it as a press plate. So as a plate that can do glimmering, you're going to get spectacular detailed results. And then when you stamp with it with your Better Press, exactly the same gorgeous results. Poppy Perfection is the name of our stencil of the month, and you're going to see this creates a large, fairly detailed image of some stylized poppies. Now this contains 5 stencils, and what you'll love about this month's stencils is that each stencil or layer for the stencil is numbered 1 through to 5, and you'll notice that there are corner guides to help you align your paper with each of the stencils to make it so much easier for your use. Now our best year sentiments are the clear stamp and die of the month. Now you can only get the stamp and die together, not separately anymore. Now there is a wide range of beautiful sentiments that are going to suit multiple occasions, from a hello, thank you, and a number of very sweet sentiments for birthdays. And they pair up really nicely with all the clubs this month. So this is a set that you're going to enjoy using and find lots of opportunities to use it. Now our 3D embossing folder is called Cottage Wall. I love this large 3D embossing folder. You've got that gorgeous large flower down on the bottom, and then the detail striping with like that speckly texture around it as well. So this is a embossing folder that will give you options of whether you focus on the floral section on your card or project, whether you're going to focus on the stripes, and you get the opportunity to put your paper in different orientations to get a different look from the embossing folder. Cloud 9 is our 2D or just regular embossing folder this month, and where the 3D one was very elegant and graceful, I think this one is a huge pop of fun. Now this has got our clouds, and then we've got flowery type of designs as well as our diamond shaped stars. Now this is a really lovely background, and for me, I can't wait to get my unicorn dies out, or perhaps the UFO die set from the advent calendar, and just play around with that embossed detail and add those new little images on there as well. I will also point out that when you put one of the large images over top, it doesn't look so much like clouds and stars. You really can use it and not be worried that it's going to give you just that one look. Replacing the Caboodle Club is the All Clubs Crate. Now you're going to get everything you've seen plus a whole lot more. You're going to receive 15% off, not 10 that you used to get. You're going to get one free shipping coupon to use every month. You're going to get the Glimmer and Beta Press combined into the one plate, and you'll still receive a roll of foil or another product of similar value. There are additional exclusives such as dies, press and foil plates or stencils that are only available during the club month window. And in addition, you're going to get the Creative Spark paper pack coming each month in coordinating colours. So here you see, you're getting everything you've seen previously plus those 3 bonus items. Now one of those bonus items this month is this gorgeous detailed die set, and you can see how it layers up beautifully and you can create a shaped card. Then for our press glimmer plate, you're going to get stencils to colour in that gorgeous bird, and then this is the colours of the colour wheel cardstock you receive with this month's crate kit. Okay, that was a lot to take in. I hope you've enjoyed the changes this month and found plenty of lovely things to want to put into your stash. I know I have, and I can't wait to see what you guys do too. Until next time, bye bye for now.